Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my, well not get, but how I do my high puff ponytail or whatever you want to call it. And also how I get curl definition on my 4C hair. So in the beginning of this video, as you can see right now, I am oiling up my scalp with my own hair growth oil. Well, the one I make. So I'm starting off by oiling my scalp because I just washed my hair. And now I'm going into, I'm adding more water on my hair because this is how, it's going to help me get that curl definition I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm spraying more of my face than my hair, but it's okay. So yeah, so once I dry my face off, we can get this video started. So in this video, I'll be trying out a new product. It is the Soft Super Freeze Clean and Clear Protein Styling Gel. So I went to Walmart, as you can see here. So I went to Walmart trying to get some Eco Styler because that thing right there is bae. I love that Eco Styler gel, but they only had the small bottle, the, what is it, what do you want to call it, jar, I don't know. They had only the small version or whatever, and that small jar could probably do my edges, okay? Like that small jar would not do my whole head right now, okay? So I went with the soft gel because it was a bigger jar. And also, I'm a type of person, like, I like to look at ingredients and stuff like that. So I did kind of compare the ingredients to the Eco Styler gel ingredients, and I think it was like the first 3 ingredients were like exactly the same. So I thought maybe that was close enough. And then also, yeah, I'm that type of person. I like to open up products, smell it, touch it, and all this stuff like that. So I wanted to see if it had the same consistency of the Eco Styler gel, and for the most part it seemed like it. So I was just like, you know what, let's go ahead and go with that, because I did not feel like driving around looking for a big jar of Eco Styler gel. So we'll see how this turns out. So I know I was rambling so much, but as you can see, like I went ahead and just put the gel all around the crown of my head. Wait, no, that's not the crown. The perimeter of my head. Whatever, y'all. I'm tired. just bear with me. So I went ahead and just slapped gel all around my head. And right now I'm using, I like to use those headbands that look like those hair, what is it? Those hair bands that look like hair scrunchies. They look like large hair scrunchies. So I like to use those on my head versus like, I see people use like shoelaces or ribbons or stuff like that. I don't like to use that. So first I like put it around my head one time, and then I go ahead and I double it again. And then once I double it, I take one side of the rubber band and I just pull it as tight as I can until I get like the desired puff I want. And then I go ahead and what is it, not flip it, but I put it around my head again for a 3rd time. And then as you can see here, I'm just pulling my hair out to just make it tighter so that it can stay in place. And then I'm gonna go ahead and most likely slap some more gel on the front of my head. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, because I like my edges to look very sleek, and I like, not just guys like, that wave look, girls like it too. So this is going to make sure I get that like sleek wave look. So right now, to make sure that I get those definition waves, in the front of my head, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair, tie it up with a scarf. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to tie my hair up with the scarf. Yeah, I kind of didn't measure out the scarf right. One side was way longer than the other side, but it's okay. We're gonna get it together. And now what I like to do is I like to take smaller sections of my puff and then just kind of pin back the rest of my hair and just focus on each section. So what I'm going to do is take this section right here, and I'm just going to spray some more water on this section. And what I like to do is I like to like soak my hair with the water, and then I like to rake my fingers through my hair and just kind of take out the tangles, and just make sure like every strand of my hair is coated with that water, because that's going to really help with that curl definition. And then in this video, I'm going to slap on some gel. At this point, while I was editing this video, I realized that I forgot to put my leave-in conditioner. So that's probably why my hair didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to, but you know what? It still came out bomb, so whatever. So now what I'm doing is I'm splitting up the sections into smaller pieces, and I'm going to kind of, like twirl my hair around my finger. I don't know what that phrase is called, but I'm just going to twirl my hair around my finger to just get a little more, even more definition. So I'm just going to split into smaller sections, twirl my finger around that section, each section, and then, so I can get more definition. So I'm basically going to be doing this throughout my whole, throughout this whole puff. That's how I get my curl definition. Just split up a chunk of my puff, and then pin the rest back, and then soak that section with water, and then slap on a whole lot of gel. I like to use a whole lot of gel. I probably used like 1/4 of that jar, because that's how much gel I like to use. Because I don't like frizz. And lately where I live, it's been kind of rainy, and so I just want to make sure, like, even if I'm out get caught up in the rain, like my hair is not gonna look like a big old frizzy mess. So that's what I'm doing right now, just raking through each section so I can make sure I get all that curl definition. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let this video continue to play, and you guys see what I'm talking about. And most likely I'm probably going to do the rest of this off camera, because yeah, it's a lot. This video will probably take this probably be like an hour long. So I'll see you guys back when I'm all done with this section, well, with the whole puff. Okay, so I'm back. Here is my hair after I'm done with the entire puff. As you can see, I got some definition going on right now. We'll definitely see more once it's dry, so I'm going to just shake my hair up a little bit so that way the curls aren't too clumpy. So right now it is the next day, and my hair is like 50% dry. As you can see, I definitely got some curl definition going on. I did have some frizz, but I believe that's because I didn't use my leave-in conditioner. So I'm definitely going to try this again and try it with my leave-in conditioner and see if I get a different result. But I think my hair still came out great. As you can see, ooh, I got my waves going, child. You can't tell me nothing. I just need to fix my edges up a bit. They look a little rough. But, after that, I got some curl definition in my puff. I got my waves going on. So I would definitely use this soft protein styling gel again. I think it was pretty good, especially for the price of it. I think it cost like $3, so that's not bad. You know, I like how my hair came out. So, you know, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys like, share, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys decide to use this gel. Let me know how it worked out for you guys, and just thank you again for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.